Ever wondered what the best gadgets on Amazon are? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the top 5 gadgets that are causing a stir in the tech world. First on our list, meet the Echo Dot, 4th gen. This compact smart speaker is revolutionizing how we interact with our surroundings. Enhanced audio quality and fluid voice control through Alexa make this device a force to be reckoned with for smart home setup and entertainment. It's more than just a speaker, it's a smart home companion that lets you control your lights, set reminders, and even order pizza, all with just your voice. Following closely is the Apple AirPods Pro, a game changer in the world of sound. Known for their superior sound quality, these wireless earbuds come with active noise cancellation, providing an immersive audio experience. Their smooth integration with Apple devices ensures a fuss-free experience, and their compact design makes them an ideal pick for audiophiles on the move. For the bookworms out there, the Kindle Paperwhite is a must-have. With its high-resolution display, waterproof design, and a vast library of ebooks, it's a book lover's dream come true. Whether you're relaxing by the pool or caught in a downpour, the Kindle Paperwhite allows you to dive into your favorite books without a care in the world. Next up, the Anker PowerCore 10000. This compact and high-capacity portable charger is a godsend for those always on the move. With fast charging capabilities and a pocket-friendly design, the PowerCore 10000 ensures your devices stay powered up no matter where your journey takes you. Finally, we have the Ring Video Doorbell 4, an essential for home security enthusiasts. With features like HD video, two-way talk, and motion detection, this smart doorbell allows you to keep an eye on your front door from anywhere in the world. So there you have it, the 5 best gadgets on Amazon that are taking the tech world by storm. From smart speakers to wireless earbuds, e-readers to portable chargers and smart home security, these devices are leading the charge in innovation. Which one has piqued your interest? Feel free to share your thoughts, and until our next tech talk, stay curious and stay connected.